the series of research ethics, next topic is fabrication, manipulation, its types, and disadvantages in research. In research, fabrication and manipulation refers to unethical practices involving the creation or alteration of data or results. Here are the main types and their disadvantages. Types of fabrications are data fabrication and image fabrication. What is data fabrication? It means creating fake data or experiments that were never conducted. And image fabrication is creating or altering images to misrepresent the data or result. Manipulation is also of two types, data manipulation and image manipulation. Data manipulation is altering data to produce desired results, such as changing values or selectively reporting data. Image manipulation is altering images to misrepresent experimental results, such as copying, enhancing, or using selective contrast adjustments. What are the disadvantages of fabrication and manipulation in research? First is loss of trust. Once discovered, fabrication and manipulation can severely damage the trust between researchers, institutions, and the public. Next is damage to reputation. The individual and institutions involved may suffer long-term reputational damage, impacting future opportunities and collaboration. Next is wasted resources. Resources including time and funding are wasted on falsified research. Subsequent researchers may also waste resources trying to build on or replicate the false findings. Next is hindrance to scientific progress. False data can mislead the scientific community, diverting attention from genuine research and delaying progress in the field. Next is ethical and legal consequences. Engaging in fabrication and manipulation can lead to severe ethical and legal consequences, including retraction of published papers, loss of fundings, and even legal action. Next is public harm. In fields like medicine or environmental science, falsified research can lead to public harm if incorrect findings are used to inform policy or practices. So, maintaining integrity in research is crucial for the advancement of knowledge and the well-being of society. Types of fabrication and manipulation. Fabrication, same. Data fabrication and image fabrication. Data fabrication is this involves inventing data that never existed. Researchers may create fake experimental data or result to support their hypothesis. For example, or for instance, claiming to have conducted experiments and reporting results without actually performing any experiment. Image fabrication. This entails creating false image or graphs. For example, generating microscopic image or graphs that purports to show experimental results that were never obtained. Manipulation is data manipulation. First is selective reporting. Only reporting data that support the hypothesis while ignoring data can contribute it. Next is p-hacking. Manipulation statistical analysis until non-significant result becomes significant. Cherry picking. Selecting data points that fit the desired outcome while ignoring the rest. Image manipulation is cropping, cutting parts of an image to exclude data that does not support the desired conclusion. Enhancing, altering brightness, contrast, or color to misrepresent the data shown in image. Splicing, it means combining parts of different image to create a single misleading image. What are the disadvantages of it? First is loss of trust. Loss of trust in the scientific community as well as in public trust. In the scientific community means fabrication and manipulation undermine trust among researchers. It makes it difficult for scientists to rely on published results, leading on skepticism and increased scrutiny of genuine findings. Public trust. Public trust in scientific research can be eroded while high-profile cases of fraud come to light. This can have wider implications, such as reduced public support for science funding and skepticism towards scientific advice. Next is damage to reputation. damage to individual researchers as well as institutions. Uh, Individual researchers found guilty of fabrication or manipulation face severe consequences, including retraction of publications, loss of employment, and a permanent strain on academic careers. Institutions, university and research institutions can suffer reputational damage, affecting their ability to attract top talent and secure findings. Next is wasted resources, time and money, as well as human capital. Time and money, how wasted significant resources are wasted when researchers and fundings bodies invest in fraudulent research. Efforts to replicate or build upon falsified findings divert resources away from legitimate research. Next is hindrance to scientific progress. Uh, how hindrance create by misdirection, by replication crisis. Next is ethical and legal consequence. So, maintaining integrity in research is essential to ensure that science advances based on truthful, reliable data, ultimately benefiting society as a whole. Thank you.